What's up, guys? Knife Fanatic here. I hope everyone is having an awesome day today. We got another unboxing to do from Three Rivers Manufacturing, and this is the TRM Shadow. I used to be a sugarcane. That's pretty cool. But yeah, I've been really excited for this because I've been waiting quite a while to get my hands on one of these. They're fairly hard to get because the drops, I mean, you have to buy these on through a drop, and they announce it through their social media, and you can only get it, on those drops or by secondhand if you're lucky enough. But yeah, these are super cool knives. Yeah, I've just been waiting quite a long time to get one of these. And this is, I believe, the first time that they're doing something new with the knife, which is the Thumbstuds. So as you can see, focus. The Thumbstuds here are not the standard circles like how they used to be. These are like pyramid shape Thumbstuds, but pretty much everything else is going to be the same on this knife. Um, wow, this just looks really nice, and man, this feels so good. I don't know what it is about this G10, but I mean, maybe it just might be these milled out lines here. But yeah, it feels really good. I like that little seashell type print there, that design on the pivot. We have a titanium pocket clip with an inset clip and flush screws. That's really nice. Hey, come on. Let's check for centering. Yeah, she's dead center. Yeah, look at that blade. It's pretty thin. And then we have TRM USA and 20 CV steel, which is awesome. We have a nice stone wash finish on the blade as well. But 20 CV is really nice. It has really high corrosion resistance and edge retention, so this is gonna be a really nice knife to just take out in wet conditions and such. Let's go get all this stuff out the way. Yeah, let's go ahead and open her up. Whoops. There we go. Had to give it a little bit more oomph. Wow, look at that, guys. Man, that just the blade shape looks so cool. It's like a modified drop sheep's point foot blade. Um, but yeah, this is really nice. Have our TRM logo there. It looks like a pretty high flat grind. But yeah, look at how thin that blade is. That's really nice. Super slicey. Man, the action is so good on this too. Oh my gosh, that feels amazing. This right here is probably one of the top most comfortable knives. Yeah, this right here, like, super comfy. Wow. Yeah, I'm ready to go to work with this right here. Man, that detent and the action, really nice. I want to say, yeah, it has steel liners. Let me check. Yeah, so they only go to about, let's see. They stop like right about here. But yeah, man, this, and they said this thing is razor sharp. And yeah, it definitely feels very, very sharp. No blade play side to side or up and down. Man, this thing is solid. I have a reversible pocket clip here as well with the filler tab. Let's check hardware real quick. I'm guessing this is gonna be a T8 here. It might be a T10, I don't know. Hold on 1 second. So yeah, that's actually a T10 pivot screw, which is captive. And then maybe T6 for the, yeah, T6 for the body screws and the pocket clip. And if I didn't mention this, I think I did already, that the pocket clip is titanium. Yeah, it's non-magnetic. And you can actually, it looks like, yeah, these. So I guess when you're when you take the knife apart, you can also unscrew the thumb studs here. Wow, this, like, the feeling, the overall feel of this knife, just, it just feels like such a high quality knife. Let me see something else here. So yeah, another thing is the crossbar. If you notice, I'm trying to wiggle it from side to side, and there's very minimal play here. That's very, very nice, because on some crossbar locks, the crossbar, let me try to find a knife here that might be able to show that. I'm not sure if I have a knife here that's gonna show that, but on some crossbars, they have a lot of play. Like I've had some knives where the crossbar was really bad, and it just had so much side to side play. Let me see if there's anything else here. Overall length, let's see. We're looking at a little bit over 7.5 inches, 7 3/4 maybe, and then a cutting edge of just a little over, hair over 3 inches. Really nice sharpening choil and plunge grind done on this knife. Like, you have a lot of life out of this blade, which I love. That's like one of the main things I look at when buying a knife is I look at the plunge grind and the sharpening choil to see, how much life I can get out of this, which, I mean, you have a lot of life out of this blade. Yeah, guys, the TRM Shadow with the new Thumbstuds. But yeah, I think they did a really good job with these Thumbstuds. Let's see if we can focus. Personally, I think they probably, and I've never held a Shadow with the old Thumbstuds, but I'm just assuming that these probably feel a lot better than just the old circle ones. But yeah, that's really nice right there. Alright guys, well, that's the TRM Shadow. Hope you guys enjoyed it. If you did, like, comment, subscribe, all that good stuff, and we'll see you in the next one. Knife Fanatic out.